Tony. I am here today with two of my sons, son number 1 and son number 2. For those of you that may already know, I have 4 sons, all M's. This is Marcus, and this is Martin.
What's up?
So today we're going to share a little mukbang with you. We went out and got us something to eat. Did Marcus really just say what's a mukbang? A mukbang is eating and talking. It is a Korean phrase for eating and talking, chattering while you eat. So today we went out. Me and Marcus got
something to eat.
Something to eat, and that's the name of the restaurant. It's called Something
S-O-M-D-E. Something to eat.
Something to eat. And Martin is a wingman, so he has
America's Best.
There you go.
We got a little bit of nuclear over here. And on this side, we got them hot ones. You know?
And you couldn't eat them.
And I got some fries. You know, you probably can't see them in the camera, but...
And you couldn't eat them noodles. And you got them noodles.
Okay, so me and Marcus just went with the basic soul food today. We got some chicken wings, some macaroni and cheese. We got the collards mixed with the cabbage. And we also, well, I did. I got my yams because I love a little something sweet when I eat. I have some cornbread here. And Marcus got some, he got a roll. So anyway, today is just going to be mom and son's chat day.
Chit-chat, eat.
We're just going to sit here and eat and talk. And
our favorite thing to do.
And why I got time to spend with them before I get shipped back out to sea. So this is what we're going to do tonight. So Marcus, we're going to say grace and we're going to enjoy this food.
Grace.
Okay.
Is that how you do it?
That's how I guess that's how you do it. So we're just gonna see.
Oh wait, I was about to say grace for real.
Oh, I don't know. Start eating.
Lord, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive, liberating nourishment to our body, bless the hands that prepared it. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Right.
How you know whose hands prepared it?
I just bless the hands that prepared it.
A lot of different hands prepared this. We went to several different restaurants.
So just to get something to eat. So how the macaroni and cheese taste?
Oh my God.
Let me see.
Wait.
Oh, that's my macaroni and cheese right there.
Oh, that's good.
That's mine. Martin, you better be glad you didn't get none of this because you know you can't eat nothing without, you know.
I ain't messing with that cheese.
Heartburn and everything.
Heartburn.
You didn't put no salt on it?
I ain't
Heartburn.
What, the macaroni and cheese didn't need no salt. Hold on, because y'all know I'm going to put some salt on something. Never no salt for me.
These fries.
Y'all in this Frank's Red Hot stuff. I like Texas Pete.
I was watching a video of Prissy P. So Prissy P, I went out and got that tiger sauce. Let me see how this tastes. Even though they sent me a whole case of it. I thought I ordered one bottle.
Yeah, I got some chicken. I'll put it up there.
Wait a minute. I gotta get it open.
I'm always down.
Well, I thought you said how you gonna taste this on all of that nuclear?
I mean, these, I had these before. Yeah, I do that. But I had these before, so I know what these taste like.
I don't trust that. I
think them spicy noodles. That was fun. That was a good video.
Is tiger
sweet?
beans supposed to be spicy?
It's decent. It's kind of sweet, but it got some spice in it. It's actually pretty good.
Let's see.
All right, need some big chicken.
Mom, you put it like greens though.
Good Lord, look at this
chicken on steroids.
That many greens.
All right.
This is what I'm talking about.
It's good. This is my first time eating something to eat. Marcus, I said something.
Some duh.
Oh my Lord.
Some to eat.
I didn't know I had to use improper English.
Some to eat.
Spell it.
S-O-M. Some.
S-O-M space D-A space E-A-T. Some to eat.
These greens, boy.
If you all don't know where they are, they're on Tidewater Drive at Norfolk. Then I think I got another location in.
Oh, they got one in Portsmouth.
Well, I told them today that, we was going to give them a little shout out. So, big shout out to Something to Eat.
Some to eat.
Not something.
Oh, my Lord. Anyway,
shout out Something to Eat.
They're on Tidewater Drive here in Norfolk, Virginia. We're at Marcus's house again tonight. And then Martin got his America's Best Wings. They're also on Tidewater Drive.
Shout out America's Best.
Excuse me. There's plastic
with on it.
You try to eat it with the plastic though.
This Marcus has a wrapper on your bread.
Hold up, I forgot something. Don't forget I buy houses. 757-606-0838. Call me if you need to sell a house.
You all right? Then that you're trying to eat plastic.
That was good.
The plastic?
I can taste the food
I
plastic.
heard you.
Well, while we eating, so Mom, why don't you tell us about, well, at least try to tell us all the countries you done been to. I know it's a lot.
Well, wow. Let's see if I can name a few.
You gotta start like how many years back?
I have to start when I was a contractor. So when I did contracting, enforced protection, let's see, I did well, let me say this first. Let me start from the beginning of my journey. So everybody knew or knows that I am terrified of heights.
Oh yeah.
And I believe in keeping my feet on the ground. Still to this day, as many times as I've flown, which have been a lot, I still don't like heights. So when I became a contractor, all they had to do was flash that in my face, and I knew it was time to go. So I flew from here to Florida, and then after that, I flew from Florida to Turkey. So I've been to Turkey. Flew from Turkey to Russia. Been to Russia. Let's see. From Russia to Afghanistan, different parts of Afghanistan. So I've been in a couple of parts of Afghanistan. I've been to Qatar. From Qatar, I started my second journey. So this is not a country that I'm getting ready to mention, but I flew there. So Hawaii, I worked in Hawaii for a brief moment.
I remember that.
Oh, and as a contractor, plus I went to Dubai. I've been to Dubai many times. Beautiful country. Let's see. From there, let's see.
Why didn't they name that country after the toilets? You know the toilet thing that you got, and they got the
That's a bidet, not a
Exactly.
Dubai.
I thought this dude talking about. What in the world?
But they got bidets.
in Dubai.
Yeah, in Arab countries they use those, and they really should have them in the States. They are awesome. They are awesome.
Don't they got them in like? I think they got them in like England and stuff with the buttons on it and all that.
Okay, so excuse me. Let me see. Wow. I'm just gonna name them off. I'm not gonna try to go in order because it's just too many to name.
Don't forget how afraid you was to swim too.
Well, I took swimming.
Another obstacle.
Yeah. All right, so
Swam?
Yeah, she swam.
Swam.
She legit had to take a swimming class.
Yeah, I couldn't swim.
Can you imagine?
Oh, on the cruise when you was working on.
Can you imagine her in the water?
On the Norwegian cruise line. So anyway,
I still ain't seen it.
we got people in here, y'all, and they just love to stare and they're talking to us while we trying to do this video. But anyway, we was gonna do the cucumbers, tomatoes, and vinegar tonight.
Oh yeah,
some Italian dressing,
cucumbers with vinegar and oil and vinegar, salt and pepper. It's my other favorite.
Oh my god!
If I won't eat wings, I'll be eating that.
Tomatoes in it,
so I do eat healthy.
That ain't healthy eating, really.
Why?
It seemed healthy. It's fresh.
What was some celery for in there?
Put some with
Seafood.
doing a seafood boil.
Don't put celery in when I go to Juicy King.
You only been there once.
I know, but I didn't know that.
I mean, how you
been
know?
there once, and you didn't get. They didn't put it in your boil bag.
How you know they don't put celery in it like for the flavoring and just take it out?
I want y'all to see this plate over here. Now we
Who
started
bought
out
this
with the same amount of food.
I know, like how you done already?
But look,
this dude done.
something to eat.
You want some French fries?
Y'all must have put y'all foot in that, cause Marcus ate the whole plate.
I ain't eat on my lunch break today.
You saved it just for the day, didn't you?
I ain't feel like going nowhere really.
Want some more chicken? It'll take me a minute to eat all
Yeah,
that.
I'm eating at work.
I'm just cruising and eating.
We going to the fish tables?
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, well, yeah. Forgot about that.
So y'all, I don't know if y'all know about
If y'all don't, if y'all know about the fish tables, check them out.
Most of the bait places have them, but
If you're in Virginia, they
you
did.
go to places, what is that?
Oh no!
Oh, I can do that.
Y'all, we got people cooking for us.
We got some shrimp and stuff.
Man, you on camera?
Ow, that's hot.
It is hot though, but
Oh, I'm good. I don't need that. I'm full.
thanks, chef.
Thank you, chef.
I'm on a diet.
We must have died when you started
Let's
eating.
do on a
I'm
diet
doing
and
omni.
kill all that food.
He went on a diet. What happened was he went on a diet when he started eating because the food died.
You sure on a 3-plate diet?
I'm doing the omni.
That's an omni diet. Please don't let my representative see this video. Cause she gonna be like, no,
I need
Marcus.
some of that Garcia and Gamboja up there.
That ain't gonna do you good.
That
now.
scale, Ed, that scale you boy be lying. Be lying.
Cut.
You're not supposed to be talking to the person behind the camera.
But
We talking amongst
Cause
us.
he bought that scale, but that scale be lying.
What
That thing,
does scale say?
I can't tell you.
It ain't lie to me when I got. You talking about the one in the bathroom?
Yes.
It ain't lie to me when I got on it the other day.
No,
You
maybe
was right.
you be-
Well, I
maybe
started
you
to
be
get on it.
calibrated.
If it's lying to you, that means you lying to yourself.
No, that thing lying.
Oh my goodness, I started to get on it a minute ago, but I ate earlier.
One day is down, one day is up. I'm like, I don't understand.
Well, how come that can't be just you?
Exactly.
It
You might have
ain't me.
ate more today than yesterday.
No, I just think the scale lying.
But
It's
anyway,
like the one at Dr. Bain's office lying. I told
Oh,
the nurse
my
that.
So every scale lie to you.
I told Dr. Baines that she need to get that scale calibrated.
he did tell
And she
the
laughed.
doctor's office that.
That thing terrible.
He did tell the doctor's office that. He really did.
That thing, they had to keep balancing it. I said, wait a minute now, you shouldn't have to balance it that much.
Oh wow.
Mm.
But anyway, why you doing all right over here on your wings? Are they good?
Yeah,
Are
they
they really
good.
good?
Mm-hmm.
The America's
Oh,
best.
so like
I
this
like the
hot.
Old Bay ones.
They drink your
I think they put
Brown.
Old Bay. It feel like they put Old Bay on all of them. Like
Well,
it has
that
an
might
Old
be
Bay
just
taste.
where it might be a undercover taste seasoning that they put on them.
It took forever for
Undercover
that
taste.
America's Best over there to open. They you know, it used to be a,
They don't even
I
have
used
a
to get my
website.
feet done in there.
And now they selling chicken.
No, they used to be a spa.
And
I
now
used to-
and now they selling chicken up
the
in there.
Chinese people was in there, but they moved down further. And I used to go in there and mainly used
They
to go
put
to
their
work
foot
on
in the
these feet.
chicken.
No, you didn't.
They used to go. Mainly used to turn these feet up in there. And they be talking about.
They did.
I know they was
There's a
talking
lot
about
of feet in this chicken.
Y'all stupid.
They be
Oh
talking.
my God.
That's what they do when they don't want you to know. They don't want you to know what they.
Hold up.
They talk about you to the other person. You know because the other person look at your feet when they talk about.
no.
That's what they do. They say something to them in Chinese. And they say.
I don't know nothing about none of
Then
that.
they go about their business.
Yeah, well, Marcus, that day we went in there and got our feet done together. I mean, you did kind of clown the people. So Marcus said, hold up, wait a minute now, hold up, wait a minute.
Because you don't do my feet right.
Well, how do you
She
know
took the
that?
pliers and everything down there. I said, what in the world? She had the little pliers and she was getting the little nails, the little thing. My feet did feel good though.
Yeah, you didn't want to walk with them when you left up out there. You ever got yours done?
Nope.
Why?
Oh, you need to get your feet
I didn't
done.
get my feet done.
Why?
Ain't
Why?
nothing
You
about
think
my
it's
feet. My feet look perfectly fine.
ain't nothing like getting
Ain't
your
nothing to
feet
get
done.
done.
But there ain't nothing like getting your feet done. Cause
You
when
were
we
walking
was-
on air.
let me tell you, when I was in Thailand, I was
Yeah,
up in the
that-
spa every day getting my foot
Didn't you go to
massaged.
that thing where they got the little piranhas in the water?
I don't
And
do
they
that.
do-
Oh,
I
you
don't
talking
do
about
the
the-
fish.
Is it piranhas
No,
or is
they-
it? I
they
seen the one
go-
with the leeches.
Y'all, they go.
They're not.
Yeah, they
leeches,
got one with
fish.
leeches. Nah, they got one with leeches. Where leeches eat your feet.
Now I know they got the goldfish. I don't know about
Yeah.
no leeches.
Nah, it's
I wonder how
it's
that
some
feel
leeches.
though.
Them leeches,
Okay.
they eat your
And people-
feet. I
and
think it
people
take the
actually-
swelling down because the leeches got some sort of antibiotic in their mouth or something.
Well, they say that they can heal you. Yeah,
Yeah,
your
I seen
wounds
people
and stuff
doing it
like
they
that.
feet.
But I ain't never seen it where you get your feet done. But they
I ain't
have the
sticking my feet in no
goldfish.
fish or no.
People put their
you
feet
go
inside
country-
the
I don't
thing.
even go to the
Yeah.
beach.
I ain't doing that one. I don't care how much they sanitize that water. I'm not putting my feet in there with no goldfish. I'm not.
Oh, hot.
Now you eating shrimp?
I don't
Martin, you didn't take this.
I don't take shells off.
You ain't take the feet off neither.
Oh, the feet the best part. Y'all just don't know how to
Only
eat.
time I eat mine like that is if I go
y'all
to
know
the
how to
Chinese
eat.
restaurant.
Well, and they, I
Yeah,
get the
and
salt
they
and
get the
pepper
salt and pepper
ones.
ones.
Yeah, I
I
eat them like that, but not.
Ain't none better than butter shrimp though.
I don't even know head though.
No, don't be getting shrimp juice on my wall.
I'm feet good.
Oh my god.
I just say that. Well, I just say that.
We was just talking about getting your feet.
I know, right? Y'all mess me all up now. I forgot we
He
was
said,
talking
"Don't be
about
good." But anyway,
I'm laughing at the show. Lucy be having she be doing her facial expression.
oh my God.
What y'all full of something? We supposed to be eating.
That's right.
We talking. We having a conversation.
We eat for fun,
Talking.
not for hungry.
Y'all gonna miss me because I'm gonna be gone
leave?
soon. I
Yeah,
don't
where you
know.
going?
I don't know. The day is coming again where I gotta get back out on that water. So it's probably gonna be within a week.
A week.
Oh, week? So you just going to
When
short
you
notice
gonna
us
be
like
doing
this?
that? When you think
Oh
you
yeah,
gonna be doing that
guys, I'm
soon?
going out the country next week.
Well, that's what my job does.
How
They
long
don't
you
give
gonna
me
be
a
gone?
notice.
How
Huh?
long you gonna be gone?
I gotta be back for the cruise.
Hey,
Yeah.
you gonna eat your cornbread?
Make you take the plastic off.
You got to do the video. But anyway, now you got cornbread, okay? But yeah, I got to be back for the cruise for when we're going to cruise, and that's gonna be hilarious. I can't wait about that. I'm excited. I
Me
am
too.
excited. Now,
I can't
as
wait.
much as I'm on the water, you would think I wouldn't want to be on no water, going on no cruise
I
ship.
cannot wait.
I'm
But,
scared. I ain't never been on no ship.
I'm really not gonna know how to act on this.
I barely like going on an airplane.
Well, yeah, you just started flying, and this one haven't flown yet.
Never.
Oh my gosh, that plane.
First time for everything.
They
Yeah.
threw me on that Southwest plane and stuffed me on it like a sardine. That's Southwest ain't no joke. I don't understand how they do that. They stuff you on the plane. The plane, I'm telling you, it looks so much. When you on the outside of it, it looks so much bigger. Like when you standing inside the building looking outside, that thing huge. When you get on there, it's like
It was small.
what? It's like you in a big tube.
It
Oh,
is.
no.
Yeah.
Like you know how you like
Yeah.
okay, you know how you get on a bus and all you see is
Rows
rows.
of seats.
That's exactly how it is.
Yeah.
It look like it don't look nothing like as big as it is. But if you stand outside, that plane is huge.
Mm-hmm. What
And
did you
what-
fly on that time?
That was Southwest. That was a 737. 8 no a 7.
737.
737. He
No,
said
no,
737.
He said 8. I thought it was an 800.
He said 737-8.
800 or 730.
CR or something like that.
No, it
Yeah.
wasn't that.
Who was
you
it?
know that plane.
I know
Look,
the-
I never seen nobody who actually go up there and I have done
Well,
that.
for Delta, I researched the
He a
plane to see
noob,
what I'm
though.
riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, he a newbie.
No,
I
but
do
it was a 737. Something. It was one of the 800, 737 800 or something like that. Ain't that what they call?
737-800.
No, hold on, I'm gonna look.
Put it down in the comments if it's a 737-800.
What's the
If it
plane?
is, hit us up.
No, it's a
I'm trying to
Boeing.
think.
Hold on,
It's
wait.
a Boeing. Oh, you got to Google it now,
Hold
y'all.
on, wait. 'Cause
But
I
anyway,
know 737 800. Yes.
see,
I
It's
told
a
he just
737.
saved it in his phone.
No, it came up on Google. A 737 800.
But that's a pretty size. I mean, that's a big size plane.
Yeah, that's what I wrote. A 737 800. That's
That's
Delta,
what you
though.
wrote.
That's what I wrote
You
on.
fly.
And
You
Southwest
wrote
had
it.
Blue.
Southwest.
So it's a 737-800.
Yeah, it looked like that. That's exactly how it looked.
But those are
737
big.
800. It ain't that big when you get on it, and they stuff you in them seats.
We going.
And I had to
on
get a belt
smaller planes
extender.
than that.
And then the
Wait
lady
till the
was
one
like-
day
the
when you
lady
got to
said-
fly the ones with the propellers.
Oh, you ain't got to worry about me flying that.
And I sat all the way in the luggage department.
The lady said,
I
I
can't
said, ma'am,
believe that.
do you have a belt extender? She said, well, let me go check because we may not. Well, what if you don't? What would they do if they don't have one? What would you do if they don't have one? Because you
They
got to
gonna
wear
have to
a
take you
seatbelt.
off the plane.
So I'm
For a
gonna
belt, you gotta have a belt
free ride on
extender.
what?
Don't worry about it. I got one right in that arm drawer in there.
Nah, I ain't.
He do.
Get
I took the belt extender
Belt
because
extender.
I took it because I said, well, what if I can't take that chance?
You know what
to get
that
on another
mean?
plane and not having one?
That mean that scale won't lie.
Huh?
That mean that scale won't lie.
No,
did
you
not.
would need a belt extender too.
I ain't get, no, I don't need no belt extender, bro.
Don't no. I'm telling you, if you open up that drawer in there, it's a belt extender.
I don't need no belt
Actually,
extender.
hey, look in that drawer in the kitchen, see if there's a belt extender
There's
in
a
there.
belt extender
On
right
the
in
top
the
drawer.
Yeah. Like the
To
one
your
right
right.
there by the
To your right, to your right.
A
This one
belt
is a belt
extender though.
extender.
Watch this.
You need a belt that big.
It's in there. Bring it to her.
No, that's the
That is a little belt extended.
That's the luggage. That's the
That is
luggage.
not
thing.
That's the
around
thing
the
to
dude.
that you weigh your luggage with.
It should be in that drawer. I might have moved it, but it's a belt extender in here somewhere.
You better know where it's at when you get ready to
Oh,
fly.
trust me, I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna turn this house up to find it. Cause then when I got on Delta, I was like, well, what if they don't have one on Delta? So I had to take it.
Delta's the best airline to me in the United States.
Delta is good.
I love Delta.
I was going to sleep. I woke up when it was snack time.
Ain't been nowhere.
Well, considering I don't be woke at none of the flight.
And see, Southwest, you know they bootleg when they don't even give you your drink in a can. Delta give you a drink in a can.
Not necessarily. No, unless you want the whole can.
Southwest pour the cans inside and then they hold them. They come out like this. With them on the tray, the lady about to drop it. She be like this. I'm like, why didn't they just give it to you in a can?
Lord.
She be having 2 layers of drinks.
What?
She be having 2 layers. Like she be holding them. She be you with a drink. That's what they be doing. I'm like, that lady about to drop all them drinks on this plate.
But anyway, no. On some flights they will give you a whole can, and some flights they're put
I
it.
know you can ask them for a whole can.
Yeah. If you want a whole can of soda,
All I got was ginger ale. I said, look, I just want ginger ale because when I first rode Southwest, my stomach was toe up. I felt like I was about to get sick. So I said, look, can I just get the ginger ale? And she gave me ginger ale. Then it was snacks. I forgot what they gave me for the snack. I think it was it Cheez-Its? Delta gave me Cheez-Its.
I ain't never seen the cheeses. He told me
It's a little bag of Cheez-Its.
and I don't flown.
I thought they gave you real food.
No, that's only on international flights.
Oh no, international flights you get a whole.
It was
meal.
a little bag.
You get
What
meals.
you have?
On international flights, you get all the alcohol you want, and
You just
get
reminded me.
meals. What was it? Tea?
Crown.
Yeah, it was a little bag.
Anyway, but yeah, I done did some international flights, and who knows, I might be getting ready to do it.
And I got my wings. I got a certificate on the refrigerator for my
Oh,
flight.
when he
Why would
said
you say
wings,
wings?
I
I
thought
looked at
he
those. Why I look at those
They gave
when
me
you said
actual
that?
wings. Like the lady gave me the little wings.
He has an actual
The only
certificate.
time I seen that was on the movie Heavyweight.
She
No.
gave me wings though, for real.
Can you hear this certificate in there?
This
She
On the
gave me
refrigerator.
it's on the refrigerator.
They
It's on the
gave.
refrigerator.
Remember they
Look,
gave the dude
I have
on
never
Heavyweight.
seen anybody get
Wings.
wings, and Marcus has a certificate for his first flight.
Cause I was
that has
acting up
his
and the lady
wings.
was
Oh my
like,
God.
lady was like, you're gonna be just fine. You're gonna be just
She
fine.
basically gave you a sticker or a lollipop.
Let me go right there.
Those are his wings. Show
And no, but
everybody.
she gave me an actual a little
These are.
thing.
Oh,
She
I
gave me
was
a
about to say
thing I
it's
can
wings.
stick on me though.
He got his certificate
piece of
for his
paper.
first flight. Well, I mean, no, they ain't gonna give him the little wings thing. to
No,
put
she
on him.
did.
Oh, you got wings
Yeah,
for
I
real?
don't know where it's
So
at.
you
She
got
gave me one.
you got a pin.
Could I send it to you in a picture? Remember in the picture I had the little wings and
Where
shoes.
was I at when you?
I don't know.
flew
This is
out
the only
same
dude
day
I
we
know that
did.
need wings to
Yeah.
fly.
I left this the next day after you flew.
Yep, and it got my name on. Well, no, it got my name on it, but it got. That's when I
Where
flew
did I
from
fly
Detroit to
to?
Baltimore.
I flew to Australia.
No, this was June 23rd.
And it took me 3 days to get there.
That was the
Because of the
plane
time
right
zone.
there. It looked like that.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me see.
That's what the plane I wrote looked like.
I can't do Southwest because
I thought you
I
took
like
Delta.
to pick my seats.
I took Delta
And
going to Tampa. I took them going to Detroit.
So you flew more than
I
once.
flew
Yeah.
I flew a week behind each
Okay.
other.
Yeah, he
I
went
flew
back to
one
back.
week to Detroit,
Yeah.
I'm going to Las
and
Vegas.
then I flew the next
up.
week to Tampa.
Y'all ain't gonna be out flying me.
Oh my goodness.
I ain't even get a chance to get on a plane yet. He done been on a
And
plane
I got to
twice.
fly again to Detroit this year because that's where our concert at Detroit. I'm here from Norfolk this time.
So what y'all
done?
done eating or something?
I'm full.
Y'all, I can't believe
I don't
y'all.
eat a whole lot.
Okay.
I know I'm a little big around the midsection, y'all.
She don't eat a lot at once,
I
but she
really
eat
don't.
18
At-
times a day.
Eat.
Seafood, whatever she want to eat. We done went out to eat, and after we done ate, she done ate more later. And I'm like, how you still eat?
What
Mom,
you talking about?
2 barbecue sandwiches that you probably didn't eat. Damn. She just like that. She just like to have food and not even eat it. Like, I know. I tried not to look at first when I first seen it.
We know who you. You know what? That ain't even right. Right. That ain't even right. Y'all, for real.
People
we got
playing
people,
in the background.
Yeah, we got people in the background and they doing stuff to make us laugh. And if I
Playing in
told
the
y'all what this
background.
one person was doing right now, y'all be like, for real.
I know we could talk about. Let's talk about Cowboys. Let's talk about that.
Woo!
That's a good combo right there.
Can't
Cowboys.
wait till next season.
2021
That's
Super Bowl chance. I said it first.
Time
So
to cut.
y'all come back and
He
look
said
when y'all
time to
see this.
cut.
over.
Look, we missed being at the Green Turtle this week, boy.
For real.
Look,
I know they was in there acting up.
When the
Ravens, Grandma Ravens.
no,
I ain't want the
when
Ravens to
the
lose.
no,
I ain't want them to
nobody
lose.
wanted the Ravens to lose. We
I
really
was
wanted them to win the
sad.
Super Bowl. But look, no, when we went to Green Turtle and the Eagles and and the Seahawks was playing, them people in the Green Turtle was mad at us, boy. We was rooting for them Seahawks.
They really was.
We was rooting for the Seahawks really bad, and they was about they wanted to fight us just about.
Cops were sitting outside of everything.
Oh, Lord.
We had a good time. We
It
had a
was
good
funny.
time. They was mad at us. Who roots for another team? We do.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody else sitting on the couch, we might as well root for another team. That's what you're supposed to
You
do
pick
anyway.
after your team done, you pick another one. You be like, I
I mean,
want them
what are
to
you
win.
supposed to do for the Super Bowl party? I mean,
Yeah,
you got to
for the
go
Super
for
Bowl,
it.
That don't mean that's my
somebody.
team because I wanted the
Some people
Seahawks to
just have
win.
Super
I just
Bowl
ain't want
parties.
Especially
Philly to
when
win.
the team don't never go to the Super Bowl. We got room for somebody.
Oh, here you go. Here you go.
I know, right?
How about them Steelers though?
Boo! Okay.
Steeler fans in the house. We don't do none of that.
We got Steeler fans in the house.
Cowboys.
All day.
Cowboys
every day.
and whoever is playing an NFC East team.
That's right.
That's who we rooting for.
That's right. So as I was saying, make sure y'all like and subscribe on my channel. We're going to be traveling all around the world. You're going to be with me on my journey, my work journey, as I'm out there working on that water and going to these different countries and things like that. So we're going to have some fun. So make sure you like and subscribe on Traveling with T, and I'll see you soon. All right, y'all.